All right, so now we're going to take some notes. Go ahead and open up your notebook to the page that was indicated inside of Canvas. And I'm going to show you how to set up your notes for this on this particular screencast. All right, so your notebook needs to be turned sideways with a spiral at the top. Go ahead and draw you a line across that red line. We're going to turn it into 3 sections, okay? So draw you a vertical line somewhere in between those 2 dots or holes, and draw you a line between those 2 holes, okay? At the top, also feel free to pause as needed to stay caught up with the writing, because I'll move through it. I'll let you pause as you need to make sure you get this written down as you see here. All right, so your first column is going to be the Declaration of Independence. Column 2 will be the Articles of Confederation. And column 3 is the U.S. Constitution. So this is going to be your Declaration of Independence notes. Pretty basic information. It was written in 1776. It's a breakup letter to Britain declaring our independence. The chief author was Thomas Jefferson, and he used ideas from John Locke. Those ideas were unalienable rights, and that being life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. You must have that memorized. You got to, just no exceptions. Okay, so Thomas Jefferson was the chief author using the ideas of John Locke. Those ideas are unalienable rights, and that being life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. All right, a few of the grievances that we know that we dealt with and we've already talked about is imposing taxes without our consent. Okay, we had no representation in the British Parliament. Another one was the Quartering Act, forcing us to keep soldiers in our homes. And another one was searching our homes without just cause. In other words, no, they didn't have a good reason to go into our home. So pause it as needed. Take care of all these notes for this column. You'll move on to the Articles of Confederation information, and then you'll take those notes. You'll move on to the U.S. Constitution information, and then take those notes. Again, your module is set up to force you to go into the order that I have it created in. So make sure you're taking care of your business.